Welcome, today in front of me Lenovo Legend, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. Here we got the calls, reminders, notification bottom panel. Just to mute our ringtones, you should slide this dot to the left side with your finger, and as can you see that just like the sound mode, silent mode is turned on, that means that our ringtones, they will be muted. But if you just want to mute your ringtones but you want to stay with the notifications, you can change it just here in the ringtone section. Just switch your currently ringtone to the none, and by this way your ringtones, they will be muted and you will stay with the notifications. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.